We'll guide you through how to navigate the Vercel Office interface. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Vercel dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your projects. Look to the left sidebar. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see options like projects, deployments, analytics, and settings. Click on projects to see a list of all your current projects. From here, you can create a new project by clicking the New Project button at the top right. If you want to dive deeper into a specific project, just click on it. This will take you to the project detail page where you can view deployment history, analytics, and settings specific to that project. Need to check out recent deployments? Click on Deployments in the sidebar. This section shows a timeline of all your deployment activities, and you can click on any entry to see detailed logs and status. To monitor your website's performance, click on Analytics. Here, you'll find insights into traffic, response times, and more, helping you optimize your site's performance. If you need to adjust any account or team settings, head over to the Settings section. Here, you can manage team members, set up billing information, and configure global settings for your Vercel account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.